Le Grand Galle, which is a really great hotel by the seaside, 5 minutes away from where we're staying right now. We can't wait to show you guys the amazing pool and the beachside and everything here.
And Jade's gonna be so happy. There's a gym actually there.
Yes, I'm so excited. I'm heading straight to the gym.
Yeah, first thing first.
We'll see you guys later.
This, it's a glass. I would bump my head so hard against this. It's so clean. Look at this. You can even see that this is a glass. Checking process was very quick, and now let's try this awesome welcome drink. Here on the first glass we have some beet apple, some wood apple, and this is some cinnamon tea. Let's try this first.
Cinnamon tea is very good. I just finished all of mine. It's delicious. We've been really enjoying Sri Lankan hospitality so far. People are really nice.
They're very nice. And that cinnamon tea, oh, the flavor.
So you see people usually only get one, and then because this
I
one,
request to have them
this
all.
one look like he's very hungry, gets to eat them all.
Okay, let's go see that room. Oh, wow, we have that ocean view. Oh my god.
You have nice porch view. And
Wow.
we see the pool from here too. I expect something that you would like, Takyo.
Oh, okay, if you guys don't know, chocolate's something expensive, really expensive in Sri Lanka. It looks super fancy. Now the moment I've been waiting. It's so hard to choose, they all look yummy.
Chocolate is always a good idea, and because I have a baby elephant with me, meaning Takyo.
Okay, she's touching my belly, you guys don't see it, but
Who already drank 3 welcome drink and ate 1 chocolate, and now it's
I'm gonna
time for
take
lunch.
another more.
Yeah, 1 more, and it's time for lunch. So we're gonna head out and check out the amazing food serving here.
This looks wonderful.
So we have here the tropical pink palms with the young coconut tempura, poached tropical fruit medley, some herb shoots, and the crispy lettuce. Mix it. It's so good.
Oh, look at this, guys. This is some goat cheese, tomato, mince leaf, and clover leaf. You have some sunflower seed inside also. Really soften the taste of the goat cheese. Such a nice combination of flavor.
For the second course, we have a gazpacho soup here with a langoustine meat and green olive oil.
Okay, Jade, you're gonna have to help me with that pizza. It looks huge. Look at the size of my... Okay.
The tandoori chicken pizza.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think they do really great fusion food here. So it's a bit of local mixed with international cuisine. It's very well done.
Pizza could fit like 2 person. Oh my god, I feel so bad.
Shared it.
Yeah. Oh.
Now we're gonna go back to the room, rest a little bit before the gym, and hopefully have some enough time and sunlight to enjoy the pool today.
We didn't went to the gym. Minor change in the plan.
The lunch took a little bit longer than we anticipated.
Yeah.
So we decided to enjoy the last bit of sun for the day and then go to the gym in the evening. So here we go at the pool.
Look at the pool.
You can go to a small land in Sri Lanka. You can spend 6 months here and another 6 months you can.
Oh yeah, that I would definitely read about that. That's for sure. Okay, thank you. Jade, did you heard what he said?
What?
We can buy a small land in Sri Lanka and come back here 6 months. How about that?
Yeah.
That would be a great idea, no?
If you think like this, we would already have land in Philippines, in Bali, in Vietnam, in Thailand. This guy has been asking me for every single country we've been to.
Yeah,
Let's spend 6 months here, 6 months in Canada, and then imagine if you spend 6 months in Thailand and 6 months in Bali and 6 months, like how many months do you have in your year, baby?
Yeah, that has been quite a good debate for us. Like, should we buy somewhere and establish like a second home there? Every country, every part of the world we visit, I fall in love. I'm like, maybe it's just too easy.
Yes, he's a very easy man.
Trick me with food,
Yeah,
sun, beach.
Feed him chocolate. Feed him chocolate and feed him food.
Yeah, that's how Jade win my heart.
And this baby elephant is very happy. You see, he has very simple needs.
Jade, you ready?
Yes, let's go to the gym. I'm so excited.
She's gonna be so happy. It's been a while we didn't have access to a gym, and this hotel has a really cool gym.
Yeah, it's very decent and I can't wait because I haven't seen the inside of a gym in a week.
Yeah, we feel so much guilty with all that good food.
But I have a little bit of ADD, so it kind of helped me mentally as well. So I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, let's go. That's so weird.
Just to have a tiny waist.
It looks like, oh, I'm gonna slide on this way. Oh no, I changed my mind. Oh, this side, this side? No, this
You
side.
do it, okay? You do it. It's a lot of work. It's to work those so I have a tiny smaller waist.
Got all those curry here over rice.
Let's go eat again. So, you guys ready to see what we're having for dinner? Decided to try the ham and melon. So as you can see, the name describes it. There's ham, there's melon. We have it's paired with organic salad and some micro herbs. It's so pretty. It's really flavorful. So as a main, I have a freshly caught reef fish, so fish of the day, with some pomme de terre puree, and we're infused with citronella, some organic garden vegetables, and a beautiful piece of lemon.
Beautiful piece of lemon.
It's so good with fish.
That's how you describe a lemon.
It's beautiful. I love lemon. Lemon in water, it's magical. Let's have a piece of the meat. I put some lemon on it already. It's not dry, but it's like a steak, a fish steak. So I think it's a lot like tuna.
Yeah, a tuna steak like.
It's very good. So Takyo has the Galle chicken curry and rice. We have here the chicken Galle curry with 2 vegetable curries. You have one that's non-spicy and one that's spicy, with some chutney over here, and obviously rice and papadum.
You guys have no idea how much I love curry. Whenever I travel either to Thailand, Bali, or in Sri Lanka, I love curry. All kinds of curry. But curry for breakfast, dinner, lunch. Let's try this one. Almost lose my chicken. It's a little bit with the rice. Smells so good. Oh, it is spicy. I don't know how many times I said wow during this trip. The food just looked amazing.
It's caramelized banana, chocolate nib with chili sorbet, honeycomb, orange pickle with milk skin.
And what do you have for you, Jade?
Because I love sour, I have a sablé lemon meringue millefeuille over there. It looks so beautiful. It's passion fruit braised mango with lemon basil sorbet right here, and some pina colada jelly.
Oh, there's some sorbet? I didn't see it.
Yeah, that's the sorbet.
Wow, okay, you gotta eat it fast before
Yeah, you
it
have
melts.
the chocolate chili sorbet.
Okay, it's gonna melt. Do it
Let's
quick.
eat. So we're gonna enjoy a dessert. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, please on the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Tomorrow we are heading to do an activity to see tons of turtles and hopefully see them in their natural habitat. Let's see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, Jade loves turtles. She's gonna be so happy.